Dear students, this presentation is about Piaget's stages of cognitive development. He was a great psychologist and belonged to Switzerland. He wants to know how the child's mental or cognitive development happens. To study this aspect of development, he experimented on his own children. As his children grew up, he noticed that some of the developmental traits or characteristics have been changed. On the basis of his observation, he presented his theory of cognitive development, which became famous with the headings of Piaget's stages of cognitive development or Piaget theory of cognitive development. Now, before going on to discuss the four stages of cognitive development, firstly we have to look at what is cognitive development. So, the term cognition is derived from the Latin word cognoscere, which means to know or to recognize or to conceptualize. So, cognition is the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. Cognitive development is the emergence of the ability to think and understand. It is the acquisition of the ability to think, reason, and problem solving. So we can say cognitive development is the process by which people's thinking changes across the lifespan. So before going on to again discussing the four concepts, Piaget gave some theoretical notions in his theory of cognitive development. He said that human brain has two aspects and we can study them in two ways. The first is the cognitive structure and the second one is the cognitive function. In cognitive structure, he discussed about schema, whereas in cognitive functions, he discussed about assimilation, accommodation, and equilibrium. So what is schema is? Schema is an internal representation of the word. Schema is basically reflexes such as sucking, reaching, looking, grasping, and that schema is actually developed right after the birth. Cognitive functions are the simulation. Assimilation is matching between the already existing cognitive structure and the environmental needs as they arise. Here the learner fits the new idea into what he already knows. In a simulation, the schema is not changed, it is only modified. In accommodation, which is the second cognitive function, this happens when the existing schema does not work and needs to be changed to deal with the new object or situation. In accommodation, the schema is altered or a new schema may be developed. Whereas in equilibrium, it is the process of assimilation or accommodation that helps the organism to adjust or maintain a harmonious relationship between himself and the environment. Equilibrium helps explain how children are able to move from one stage or thought to the next. So, after this, what are the Piaget stages of cognitive development? So, Piaget gave four stages. The first stage is sensory motor stage, that is from birth to 2 years. The second is pre-operational stage, that is from 2 to 7 years. Third is concrete operational stage, that is from 7 to 11 years. And the fourth one is operational or former operational stage, which is from 12 years to the adulthood. So the first stage of cognitive development theory is sensory motor stage that starts from birth up to the age of 2. During this stage, child begins to develop an understanding of the world by coordinating sensory experiences, seeing, hearing with motor actions, that's reaching and touching. Reflexes, habits, hand-eye coordination develop during sensory-motor stage, and object permanence, knowing something exists even though it can't be seen. Experimentation and creativity, Piaget referred to the childs in this stage as little scientists, and during sensory-motor stage, children learn through trial and error experiments. Now, the second stage of cognitive development theory is the pre-operational stage, that is from age 2 to 7. This stage is further divided into two. The first one is pre-conceptual stage, that is from 2 to 4 years, and the second one is intuitive stage, that is from 4 to 7 years. During this stage, the child begins to develop ability to represent objects with images and words, language skills, imagination. Child learns through imagination and play during this stage. They begins to use reasoning. However, it is mainly intuitive instead of logical. So in this pre-operational stage, Piaget gave three other concepts of egocentrism, animism, and conservation. Egocentrism, child thoughts and communications are typically egocentric, that is, about themselves and their own point of view. For example, if I can't see you, you also can't see me. Animism is the thinking about inanimate objects or living ones. For example, children dressing and feeding their dolls as if they are alive. And the conservation is the knowledge that quantity is unrelated to the arrangement and physical appearance of objects. Children at this stage are unaware of the conservation. Now, the third stage of cognitive development theory is concrete operational stage. And concrete operational stage is from age 7 to 11 years. During this stage, the child begins to develop appropriate use of logic. Important processes during this stage are ability to sort objects, ability to classify objects, elimination of egocentrism, and the understanding of conservation. So conservation is physical quantities do not change based on the arrangement or appearance of the objects. And the last or fourth stage of cognitive development theory is form operational stage, that starts from the age of 12 and ends up at the age of adulthood or adult. During this stage, the child begins to develop thoughts, and those thoughts become increasingly flexible and abstract also. That is, can carry out systematic experiments. The ability to systematically solve a problem in a logical and methodological way. Farm operational stage deals with the ability to hypothesize, test, and retest a hypothesis. Children begins thinking in a farmer systematic way in farmer operational stage. So these were the four stages of cognitive development: sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, and farmer operational stage. Thank you.